Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we're going to have a look at this OnePlus 6 in this new color that's known as the red edition. And I also have the two other colors of the OnePlus 6, so we'll also do a comparison and I'll let you guys know which one I do feel is a better one. And this red color edition comes with 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. So the pricing will be like 39,900, almost 40,000, and this will be sold from July 16th onwards. So let's quickly have a look at this. And guys, I've already posted my full review of the OnePlus 6. Link for that review will be there in the YouTube description area so that you can know the pros and cons of this device. So here we have it, and we just open this, and yes, the back is red. And to be frank, guys, it's not very bright red. It is a shade of red and maroon, and as you can see, if you just move it like this, it reflects the light. So yes, it's a shiny one, as you can see, and even the fingerprint scanner is in red color. So, and yeah, from the front only the borders actually look as red. So yeah, that's what it is. And apart from that, everything else would be the same dash charger in this, and it should also have a case. Let's see if the case color is the same, because one thing I've noticed is that for the mirror black, which I'll show you, the color of the case is a little bit different, but here it's mostly white, as you can see, this one. And let's quickly have a look at these side by side. And this is the new red one. And guys, again, the back is still glass. It's Gorilla Glass 5, though if you look at it like this, it looks like it does not have a glass, but yes, this is glass, guys, Gorilla Glass 5 that we have seen with other OnePlus 6 devices also. So this is the black one. I think so this is the most popular, the mirror black, and this is available in both 6 gigabytes RAM and 8 gigabyte RAM model. And this is the white color, which the OnePlus likes to call the silk white. So these are the three ones, and yeah, this one is off white in color. As you can see, slight reflections it gives if you move around a little bit of yellow or gold tint it gives at a certain angle. Very difficult to capture on the camera, but yeah, that's what it is. And this is the mirror black, and I feel it's very elegant, but again, as you can see, it's like a mirror. You can't actually see stuff with this. And finally, this is the OnePlus 6 red color edition. And guys, we get cases with this one, and if you're going to buy the OnePlus 6, mostly you will be using it with the cases. And with the black one, as you can see, the case color is a little bit different. This one was with the white. It's almost transparent in color, the white one. And this one is slightly, yeah, it's also almost transparent in color. So let me actually do one thing, because practically you might be using these devices with these cases. So I'll put these cases and see how it looks. But before that, here is a word from the sponsor of this video, that is Mevi.in.
Mevi Thunderbeat Bluetooth earphones look stylish with metallic body. You can take phone calls and it supports passive noise cancellation. The ear hooks fit securely and stay in place even when you are working out or running. With Qualcomm CSR Bluetooth IC, the music quality is amazing and has great battery life. It has HD stereo sound with super solid bass. It supports aptX codec with lossless wireless audio. Use coupon code Geekyranjit15 at Mevi.in to get 15% discount on all Mevi products. See link in the description below for more info.
So guys, I have applied the cases on these. These are the supplied cases that you're going to get with them. So this is how it actually looks in the case. With the red one, if you apply the case, it's you can actually figure out that it's having a case. I would say this one hides the case very well, the black color one, and the case color is a little bit different. It's not transparent as you get with the white. As you can see, it's a colored case. And this, actually, I was using this device, I used this for over a month, and I was using it with the case. And this is the white one. And on this one also, if you apply the case from a distance, it does not look that you're having a case, but definitely on this one it looks really the case is sort of visible. Do let me know in the comment section which of the colors do you actually personally like the most. Personally, if I have to pick one, I would say let's go 1, 2, and 3. My first preference might be the mirror black. It just looks very sleek. Second would be the new red edition that will be available from 16th July onwards. And my last pick might be the white one. But again, do let me know which one do you think is the best in terms of colors. So guys, that's it for now for this video, and I've already posted the full in-depth review of these OnePlus X. Link for those videos will be there in the YouTube description area. So guys, thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.